Hey, welcome back and welcome if you're new to the channel. In today's video I want to show you how to make your first $100 on the internet using this simple tool. So if you're new to the channel and you like internet online business content creation stuff, please consider subscribing and let's get straight to the video. The tool I will be talking about today is Canva.com. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and explore what other people are doing to make money using this platform. Let's go straight to Fiverr. Okay, Fiverr is a freelancer platform. Let's say you're a video editor, a web designer, or you render services online. You can also place your gigs on Fiverr. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, we're gonna click on one seller and just look at how much people charge online. Okay, for example, there's business owners who are busy from like 7 a.m. till late at night trying to push their business forward. They don't have time to create graphics. They don't have time to create online ads. They don't have time to create banners for their social medias. This is where graphic design services come in. And Fiverr makes it easy because you can start designing from templates. Okay, look at this guy here. It's a level 2 seller. I will create editable social media ads using Canva. Let's click on it. Let's look at his prices. Okay, for the basic, it's 566 Rand. ZA 566 to USD. Real quick. Okay, that is $31. That is the basic. Okay, so what do you get with the basic? You get 5 to 6 editable designs or social media posts. Feed template includes source file, 6 posts. Now we go to the standard. Okay, the standard is $944. The premium he charges $1.887. That is $100. Okay, you get 18 to 20 editable designs on social media post using Canva. That is $104.54. So with this, check it out. You get 18 to 20 editable designs on social media, 7 days delivery, unlimited revisions. Think about it. These templates are already designed, they're already pre-made. You can constantly sell the templates over and over and over again. All you have to do is just make sure you design good enough templates. Let's say you target a specific niche, let's say for gyms, or you design for real estate, or you design for the sporting industry. You can set yourself apart by targeting a specific niche. Let's say you only target doctors, you design templates for doctors. And think about it, you can sell the templates over and over and over and over again, and it's still the same templates. They can just import the templates into Canva, edit their business names, edit the text to suit their custom business needs, and then they are good to go, because business owners ain't got time to be graphic designers. This is one way you can make money using Canva. Think about it. Sell this to like 10 businesses, that's an easy $1,000. Now let's explore the second way you can use Canva to make money. Let's go to Canva. This is Canva Contributors. So how does this work? You sign up to become a contributor with a single click. Step 2, you upload your items either individually or as a collection. We'll review them and get back to you. So you upload your designs to Canva, people subscribe to Canva, and you get a royalty payment from those uses of your work. What can I sell on Canva? As you can see here, pretty much everything that's design related. You can sell images, you can sell graphics, you can sell stickers, you can sell videos. So now let's flip the script real quick. The third way you can make money on Canva is locally. You can render social media services for people, maybe spice up their banners, design their Instagram posts. You come here, you select templates, and as you can see here, there is nice design templates. Let's click on this. Look at it. You just customize the template, replace the video, and you're good to go. Check it out. Check it out. Check this one out. All right. Minimalist CV resume. You just edit that. There's templates that you can access for free, and then there's more superior designs that you need to pay for. You need to pay the subscription to access those designs. Go ahead, click the link in the description to sign up to Fiverr. You can use it for your own designs or as a way to render services for other people. And I think serving other people with this tool will have way more opportunities for you to make money. Okay, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video, man, so that YouTube knows that this is valuable content. My name is Sabelo September, and this is the September Digital YouTube channel, where we talk about online business, internet money making tips, content creation. If that sounds like your thing, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video.